back to my channel. So this is going to be another Halloween makeup tutorial. This is going to be a devil one. If you stuck around this long, you will remember last year when I was doing my Halloween tutorials, I did a devil, which I'll insert a picture right here, and I will also do the video up here if I can find it. Yeah. So this time I'm going a bit more out there than I did last year. I bought more stuff and I think it will work this year. So I'm going to take you step by step of how I got the look. So come along and join me. First we are going to start off by putting on the horns. These are prosthetic horns in the Smithies collection. These were £3 in Asda. I never used horns last year, so this is amazing. And these are so easy to get on. They're just tape ones to get on, but it's getting in the packet is a struggle. So they come in tape like this, and you just peel it off and see exactly where we want them. So we've put the horns on. Now we're going to start with the fun bit, is the red cream paint from, again, the collection Smithies. So we're going to start with this. I've used all different types of paints, dry paints, wet paints, and nothing seems to do the job quick and stand out a bit more. So we are going to try the cream paints and see how it gets on. Get a consistency in it. And I'm going to get a big brush and I'm just gonna play around. So I have put the cream paint on. Now I'm going to go in with my James Charles palette and I'm going to use the lovely red just to set it. Just to set it everywhere. With my Revolution New Natural Press Lucent Powder, and we're just gonna set it all. Then we're going to go back in with the James Charles palette and use this black here, and we're just going to like contour, do the eyes, let it all stand out. So I've got 2 lipsticks for the lips. The first one is Velvet Matte Lipstick in the brand NYX. So we have this colour. And then I might go with the Stella Rogue All Day Liquid Lipstick in Patella, I think. So that's what we're going to start with. So we're going to do the black first. So we've gone in with the black. Now we're going to see if this shows up as well. Nice little set colour. So now we are going to do the outfit. And boom, it's here. This is an actual children's wig that I got from Asda. £3 from Asda. The horn, £1. But my head fits the wig. So I am so happy with this look. And it's very scary. Very ooh. So this is the final look. So if you like this look and you want to see more, let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also click that notification bell because it will notify you when I upload a video. So I will see you again next time, my butterflies. Happy Halloween!